they call Capricorns cold, distant, calculating. But what if silence isn't a lack of emotion? What if it's emotional intelligence in its purest form? What if every moment of quiet was a weapon, refined by pain, mastered by time, and forged in solitude? This is the truth behind the Capricorn they call dangerous. Not because they harm, but because they see everything. When a Capricorn goes silent, it's not confusion, it's calculation. They don't explode, they withdraw. They build a wall, not out of pride, but out of self-preservation. They've learned that reacting gives power away, so they conserve it. This silence is their protection, their discipline, their quiet form of vengeance. Because when they finally speak, it's always final. Capricorn lives in a world of structure, planning, strategy, foresight. It's not obsession, it's survival. They've seen what chaos does, how instability destroys trust. So they prepare, not to control the world, but to keep it from collapsing on them. They don't crave dominance, they crave stability. Every detail, every plan is a way of saying, I will never fall unprepared again. When a Capricorn walks away, there's no hate, just absence. They don't destroy. They simply remove themselves. It's not revenge, it's restoration. Because once their energy leaves, everything loses its structure. They don't forgive easily, not because they're bitter, but because they refuse to pretend when their heart isn't aligned. For them, pretending is a form of self-betrayal. Capricorns carry more than most people realize. They hold worlds together, family, work, responsibility, all while staying silent. No one sees how heavy it gets because they don't show it. They equate vulnerability with danger. So they endure, quietly, until exhaustion becomes a form of peace. If they ever disappear for a while, it's not weakness, it's repair. From 2018 to 2020, Saturn and Pluto met in Capricorn, a cosmic storm that broke everything false. Many Capricorns lost everything they built. But what rose from that destruction was the Alchemist Capricorn. No longer ruled by survival, but by consciousness. They no longer chase control, they embody calm. They learned that true power is not domination, it's presence. So, are Capricorns dangerous? Yes, but not how people think. They're dangerous because they can stay silent when others panic, because they see motives, patterns, and weaknesses before anyone else, because they can disappear, rebuild, and rise without announcing a thing. Their danger is their clarity. Their silence isn't emptiness, it's focus. And that's what makes the Alchemist Capricorn unstoppable. The alchemist doesn't seek power, they become it. And that's what you are. A Capricorn who learned that sometimes silence is the loudest form of strength. This is the Sovereign Capricorn, where silence becomes power, and power becomes peace.